Hello friends, welcome to DevOps Hint. In today's session, we are going to talk about build Java project using Gradle in GitLab CI/CD. And in today's session, we are going to discuss all this point: how to install Gradle in Ubuntu 20.0 for LTS, how to register GitLab runner, third and last one, build Java project using Gradle in GitLab CI/CD. So now go to our first point. First is how to install Gradle in Ubuntu 20.0 for LTS. So firstly, run this command to install OpenJDK in your machine. So run this command to install Java. So in my machine, I have already installed Java as well as Gradle. Now these 4 commands to install Gradle in your machine. Now second command, press enter to continue. Now third command. Now fourth and last one to install Gradle in your machine. So it's done. So if you want to check the details of your Gradle, then run this command Gradle -version. So you can see here the details of your Gradle. So now it's done. So let's go to our second point. Second is how to register GitLab runner. So before register GitLab runner, you can see here my project Java Gradle, and if you scroll down, you can see other files. So you have to Gradle build first, then register runner. So you can see here I have already Java Gradle build. Now we are going to register runner. So you can see here, and you can go to the GitLab runner official page. So you can see here the GitLab register runner page, and copy this command to register GitLab runner. Enter the GitLab instance URL. So first project, click on settings, CI/CD, then expand runners. And if you scroll down, you can see here register the runner with this URL. Then registration token. So here the registration token. Now enter a description for the runner. So my runner. Then enter tags for the runner. So DevOps. Enter an executor. So here I'm assigning shell. So you can see here runner registered successfully. So let's check. So refresh the page. Scroll down and you can see here my runner. So sometime error in if you run any project, then error occurs. So if you check my previous video where I have explained, so what should we do in that time? So simply click on edit and click on indicates whether this job runner can pick the jobs without tags, and click on save changes. So it's done now. So now go to our third and last point is build Java project using Gradle in GitLab CI/CD. So create CI/CD pipeline with below this code. So firstly, go to your project and click on new file. I will give this code in my description box so you can check it. So you can see here in stage, here is only one stage build, and here we call build stage, and in script Gradle build, then artifacts. So now click on commit changes. Then now click on CI/CD. So you can see here in the pipeline section CI/CD, you can see there is a pipeline that get created. Pipeline got created with this latest commit that we pushed. So you can see here. So click on it. Here is commit ID. So it's pending. So wait for some time. So you can see job succeed. So now we have built the Java project using Gradle. So now let's check the jar file location. So firstly, here you have to run this command cd space slash home slash gitlab hyphen runner, then ls, then cd build, then ls. Then now you have to check your runner id. You can see here your runner id is C11. So now your runner id is E. cd c, then ls, then cd DevOps int and your project name Gradle. Then again ls, then cd build, ls, then cd libs, ls, and you can see here your jar file that your name java-gradle.jar. So I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching our video. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps Hint channel.